The Lord be with you.
and with your
A
spirit.
reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus went to the district of Tyre. He entered a house and wanted no one to know about it, but he could not escape notice. Soon a woman whose daughter had an unclean spirit heard about him. She came and fell at his feet. The woman was a Greek, a Syrophoenician by birth, and she begged him to drive the demon out of her daughter. He said to her, "Let the children be fed first, for it is not right to take the food of the children and throw it to the dogs." She replied and said to him, "Lord, even the dogs under the table eat the children's scraps." Then he said to her, "For saying this, you may go. The demon has gone out of your daughter." When the woman went home, she found the child lying in bed and the demon gone. Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Good morning. Mga kapatid, pansin niyo ba na iba't iba ang paraan ng Panginoon sa pagpapalayas ng demonyo, sa pagpapagaling ng mga sinasapian ng masamang espiritu? No pattern, no formula, no magical incantation, apati-apati. Walang pananakot, walang sinasabi, no special gestures, no special words. Sa ibang bahagi ng Ebanghelyo, nakita natin, mababasa natin, ginagawa ng Panginoon, kinakausap niya lang yung demonyo. Minsan pinapagalitan niya ang demonyo, rebuking the demon. And in today's Gospel, if you notice, ang kinausap lang ni Kristo ay yung nanay, pagano pa. Hindi niya nakita yung anak na sinasapian ng demonyo. Hindi niya nakausap. Hindi niya nakausap ang demonyo. Ang nakausap niya lang yung nanay. At ang ginawa niya lang, no gesture, no words, special words, pinagbigyan ang hiniling ng nanay. Ano ibig sabihin para sa atin yan, mga kapatid? Ng Diyos ay hindi limitado sa kanyang kapangyarihan, tulungan ang tao. God is not limited in helping people, in showing His power to help our problems, to help us in our problems. He can say a word or even no words. Sa pagtulong sa mga tao, walang special formula. Wala siyang sinasabi, gawin mo to, dasalin mo to, special phrase, special prayer. Hindi niya sinasabi, pumunta ka sa ganitong special na lugar bago ko gagawin at ibibigay ang hinihiling mo. Nothing of that. Anong mahalaga para sa Panginoon? Sumang-ayon tayo o sang-ayunan niya ang ating hinihiling? Sumang-ayon tayo sa kanyang kalooban. Anong mahalaga? Manampalataya tayo sa kakayahan ng Panginoon. Anong mahalaga? Maramdaman natin, paniwalaan natin na andyan siya lagi sa buhay natin. That's all that matters. Hindi kailangang mag-flagellate, hindi kailangang lumuhod ng mahaba, magdasal ng nobina araw-araw, lahat ng dasal sa lahat ng mga santos. It can help. But what we need is that faith in the Lord. Come to Him. Only Jesus, only His words, only His will. Ano po hinihingi nyo ngayon sa araw na ito? Huwag masyadong magpakahirap. Huwag masyadong mag-worry. Just believe in your heart that He can do something for you. That He can do miracles in your life. Yun lang. Simple lang. Only Jesus. Always Jesus.